All right, you guys, so it's the day before Black Friday and we are just going to do a little bit of browsing. I do not know if the prices is going to change after this. Some nice screwdriver set. Another one. Hold on, is this two different sets? That one is 16. This one looked like it may be 30. Oh, okay. Has some extra tools with it. Alright, so this one is 30, and you put this back how it was, and it won't go back. So I'll just leave it like that. Sorry. Alright. So we're going here. $100 for this nice little tool set right here. Craftsman. Oh, sorry. Craftsman. Somebody got on me with that. I always say Craftsman. My bad. My bad, you guys. So right there. $20 for this little toolbox, mini toolbox. I actually like this, and it's heavy. All right, we're looking around. We got Wrangler, look like base layer pants. This is pretty nice. I wear a lot of Wrangler pants. Even these pants I have on now is Wrangler. So yeah. All right, same thing, screwdriver, blah, blah, blah. All right, so this is the same thing as last year and almost the same prices. And I might not skip out on this one. I might actually come back tomorrow or whenever they open the doors for the Black Friday event. I might come back and get the torque wrench sets. All right, regular wrenches. All right, what is this? 1/4 inch. All right, so we have a little 1/4 inch set right here. This is a pretty nice, be a little upgrade from the 1/4 inch set that I have already. 20 bucks ain't bad. All right, you guys, Cobalt. Oh, I skipped out on the Cobalt on that side. My bad. What is this? Foot inflator. Don't need that, but if you need it, it's here. We got a nice set right here, but it's not quite what I want. I have enough extensions. It's not bad, you guys. Some of this stuff is regular price. Nothing to cry about, you guys. A lot of this stuff is regular price. $15. Nah, I don't need that. Yeah. I don't see nothing exciting yet, you guys. Just browsing around, looking for something cool. Actually, Amazon is a little bit more lit than Lowe's right now. Didn't check Amazon for the tools yet, but Amazon got some cool stuff on sale right now. I'm not gonna lie, my cart is like really full. I'll show y'all that later. I love Tough Build, you guys. My Tough Build razor, you know, the razor slash scraper. I love that thing, and it looked like Tough Build have some new things coming. I might look into it. I don't know, but 14 bucks, 14. Once again, this stuff is nothing to cry about. Seems like regular price for right now. I'm not seeing nothing too dramatic. Oh, here's a Tough Build right here, but this is not a scraper. This is just a regular knife, but I love their designs, you guys. This Tough Build brand, I love it. I love the design of their tools. It feels like it's robotic, right? Yeah, it feels like, you know, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but it feels like, you know, it looks robotic. Put it that way. All right. Tough Build also has some toolboxes. All right. Cobalt Craftsman. Flex is that brand that I'm not really into yet. Maybe I'll get to it one day. DeWalt. We all know we all love DeWalt. And what else? That's about it in this section, you guys. Nothing too much for me to whine, crying about. I will check Home Depot, see what Home Depot got going on. I might check them as soon as the Black Friday doors open. Oh, they got some nice jackets here. Look like for the ladies over this side. Fellas is over this side. This is starting to cater more to your pets too, so that's really nice. If you have dogs, cats, or whatever animal you have. And that's about it in this little sales section. I'll get back home and we'll go over online sales, see if there's anything different when it comes to online. And that will be all. So I'll catch y'all a little bit later. All right, you guys. So I went over the other side of Lowe's and found something interesting. So right here you have a shower mirror and razor and toothbrush and look like toothpaste holder, so you could do everything in the shower. One of the coolest things that I see in Lowe's. All right, you have a little back scrubber and you have a regular body scrubber. This feels weird. It's like silicone. This is interesting. Kind of want one of these. So they look like 1 for $14 or 2 for $14. I'm not sure. Let's see. I don't know. Might just be one in there, but it's pretty cool. Has a little handle, little gripper on it. This is your little back scrubber, so I might look into getting these. So this is regular price, I believe. It better be regular price because I wouldn't pay no more than that. But yeah. And another thing, we have this tool set right here, $99. Now this usually is like a every year type of deal with this set right here, but if you're new to getting tools, this would be a very nice set to have. I know Craftsman has one. I believe there's a set in Heart set in Walmart, I believe, have one. So yeah, $100 for that many tools is not really bad. All right, so that will be it. I'm gonna check a little bit more, but if not, I'll catch y'all a little bit later.